Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable dark mode on TikTok for your Android mobile. Dark mode helps reduce eye strain, especially at night, and can also save battery life. Let's jump right into the step-by-step process. First, open the TikTok app on your Android mobile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner. Then, select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. Scroll down until you find the Display option and tap on it. Finally, choose Dark to enable dark mode in TikTok. That's all for today. Enjoy the new dark mode experience on TikTok, which is easier on your eyes and looks sleek. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next video.